situation in Haiti is fake, and everybody just go crazy. How can you explain something like that in the 21st century? It must be fake. So they asked me, what do you think about Haiti? And I said, the situation in Haiti is fake. That's how the meeting went in Washington, D.C. We matched. But guess what? During this meeting, we there, there were a lot of white people there. Only one black person. Oh no, two. There was a black woman, light skin, and she was the one who asked me about what do you think of Haiti? What do you make of the of Haiti situation right now? And I said, it's fake. The situation in Haiti is fake. I believe it. But let me tell you about the white people who were there. All kind of blue white people with blue eye, black eye, gray eye, green eye. You know, it looks like there was even a black white person there. So I try my best to give them the best answer because there is no way you can tell people what's going on in Haiti is real. It must be fake.